Hello, hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-update ng ating WPS app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, para sa mga Android users, pwede tayong mag-update ng ating WPS app sa Google Play Store. So open lang natin yung ating Google Play Store. And then pag-open guys, pumunta lang tayo sa search bar or itap natin yung search. And dito sa search bar, type natin yung WPS. Then search. And ayan guys, open lang natin yung WPS. So kung hindi pa updated yung inyong app, update yung nakalagay dyan. Pero kung updated na yan guys, open na lang yung nakalagay. So since nga hindi pa to updated, tap natin yung update. And wait natin hanggang sa matapos ma-install. And ayan guys, after ma-install, tap na natin yung open para directly mapunta tayo sa pinakaang application. And kung mapapansin nyo guys, meron na kayong mga bagong features and settings na nadagdag sa ating WPS Office app. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-update ng WPS Office app. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.